How we doing out there, ladies and gentlemen? I am MagZ, back to do another reaction video for you tonight. Checking out Camellia, checking out two different songs. We're checking out the cat evolved into the microwave-proof cat, and Zombie Circus featuring Hatsune Miku. And there's some stuff in Japanese, so I'm assuming that what's in Japanese is what's in English. I might be wrong. But this was a donation request from Cleosad. Thanks so much, Cleosad, for your donation and your recommendation. Appreciate you, buddy. We are getting close to the end of the journey on u.u.f.o, and these songs have just literally been blowing me away. If you haven't seen any of them, definitely go check some of them out. Before we check out these videos, though, as always, don't forget to like, heart, follow, hit the notification bell, and just check out all my social medias. There's a Willow link down below that has the link to all of those social medias, as well as to my Discord, where we're having a lot of fun. So definitely join that, as well as checking out my Streamlabs page, which got a lot of cool stuff on there. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. I gotta figure out where I put my headphones. Oh, right there in front of me, because I'm a dummy. Speedhouse Dubstep HDM. Phase Plant Kilohertz presents demo song. That noise is going on.
Cat.
Song is nuts. Ooh, that was a weird little skip step. I wish I rewinded it because it was like doo -doo -doo -doo. But as always, blow me away already.
This is how we do it.
The cat noises are killing me. Goodness. My lord. There we go. Jesus. Oof.
Cat.
Oof. Can't get over the silly little effects in between, and the cats meowing and making the noise is just nuts.
This is how we do it.
Of course, I ended with the cat meowing. Jesus. So yeah, that one was the cat evolved into the microwave-proof cat. This one, like I said, it has some Japanese, but it says Zombie Circus featuring Hatsune Miku, so should be fun. Hair out dubstep raw style. This is gonna hit hard. Ooh. And the dead bodies want them delicious. So dirty. Get over there. This one hits so hard. Oh, this one you can see better than me. I'm ready. Let's go. Oof. Ooh. This part is crazy. What them delicious. Chainsaw. Oh. Dude, that one was insane. Zombie Circus featuring Hatsune Miku. Yes! I loved it. That was amazing. Oh, jeez. And the beat was just so catchy. Oh. All in all, 2 killer songs. Thank you again, Cleoside, for your donation and your recommendation. If you guys have any other recommendations, as always, let me know in the comments below. Hit me up on the Discord, which you can find in that with a link below, along with the in that willow link. I got all my social medias. Check out my Streamlabs homepage, which has my donation link. If you make a donation, you can request a video for me to watch, as well as help this channel grow and prosper. But as always, thank you guys again for watching, and until next time.